In front of me is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to find safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts and select add contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of them, hit reorder at the top right corner, create a perfect list and then hit save also at the top right corner. To delete one of your contacts, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!